Hello and welcome to Pixil. I'll be taking you through a quick tour of the app. So you can go to Help when you get the app, and it will give you more details. So you hit Start, and then that pops up a bunch of the gallery, and you can select an image. So I'll just do a picture of the US. And now we have our main window page. And from here you can go access all the different palettes. So far we have a view palette, a select, and a paint palette. In viewing you can zoom in and zoom out the image. You can pan, and you can have it fit to the screen. A new feature that we just added is selection. And with selection you can select the size of your brush. I'll say 96, and then you can draw on the image, and that adds selection. And so when you apply an effect on that selection, then it will only do it to that part that you selected. So I'll do a threshold or something. And now you can see that that region that I selected now has a threshold effect applied to it. You can also do it to the entire image if you select this button here, which will set your use selection or don't use selection. You can also invert your selection. So if I invert, then it will select everything that wasn't selected, and then you can apply to that if you have the use selected. You can also reset the selection, or you can also show or hide it. The next palette that we've incorporated is a paint palette. This way you can select a color. I'll say purple, and then you can draw directly on the image. You can also select a size of your brush here, and you can even do a fill brush, which will basically do something like that. Same features as before. There's a new button that we added, which is merge, which will basically merge this image that you just drew with the original image. And we've also increased the number of items in the timeline, so you can go back even further. So if you want to go to an older version that you previously had, or back to the original version, you can do that at any time. And once you select these, all effects that you apply will be done on whichever part of the timeline that you select. Another feature that we have is you can save your image from the timeline. So if you hit save, then it will save to the SD card. Also, there's the ability to share, and sharing will allow you to send to Facebook or email or whatever applications that have sharing capabilities. Alright, that's it, I think. If you have any more questions, please email us.